Hey guys, it's Mr. Creative here, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to 3D print. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go find the model that you want to print. Right here I have my Imaker coin, and I'm going to download this and print it. So we can go down here to the thing files. We can click on this, and we can download it. I'm just going to download it to my desktop. Okay, now that we have the file right here on our desktop, we can go into Cura, or any type of slicer, and we can import the model. So we just got to click this little button right here, and we'll load it up into here. Okay, now you can check your print settings off to the side here. So you can choose your layer height and all that other good stuff. So let's choose the 0.2 layer height. Let's do 20% infill, and yeah, I think that's good. But if you want to know more details about what these print settings are, then I'll do another video about that later. Okay, so once you've named it, we're going to name it mcoin. So I named it mcoin right there, and then you want to press save to removable drive, or if you have your printer hooked up through USB, you want to press print. So we'll save it, and then we can go over here in the center of the screen, and we can press eject. Okay, so now we can take the drive out of our computer, and we can go insert it into the printer. Okay, so once you're over at your 3D printer, you want to take your SD card and plug it into the back, and then you also want to plug in the power. Okay, then you want to let it boot up. Once it's all booted up, you want to go into your menu. Okay, and once you're in your menu screen, then you want to go over to here, and you want to go to quick settings and preheat. This might be different on some printers. Then you want to wait for the temperature to increase to the pre-selected temp for preheat. Okay, so once you're preheated, then you want to go over and you want to press print file, and then you want to choose the coin, so we can then use that one. And then it's going to start printing. Okay, so once you got your 3D printed part, then you just bend the bed if it's acrylic or rubber. And there you go, you got your 3D printed part. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. You can tell me by giving this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And I'll see y'all next time. And don't forget to stay creative.